Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Single Line Code. So today I am back with a interesting video and I am 100% sure that you guys will love it. So a single line code which will fetch you a bar chart in your Excel. You don't have to go and drag and drop from the figures or the list of charts and then like select the range and then like put it across. Don't have to do anything. Just follow this guys. Single line, as my channel suggests, single line code to draw a bar chart in Excel. Let's start. Equal to REP 3. Follow along guys, very easy. And then select the number of times. It's G5. It's G. Okay. Let's enter. This is just a starting. Now see the magic guys. Haha, how did you like this? A single line chart. Well, I would say the previous one was looking better. Is it not great? A single line code to draw a bar chart to show your sales figure in the form of chart. You did not have to go and what do you call, select the range and then insert. You'll have multiple figures out here, right? Chart, pivot chart, balance chart, histogram chart, scatter plot. No need. Just put this formula, drag it and change the font to playbill. That's it guys. This is a small video. I hope you liked it. Thank you.